Hi everyone, I'm Kesha East and I'm going to be showing you how to get some seriously fresh breath using some of these Acti-Lab products. So first up we have the Diamonds Lustre Fluoride Toothpaste. I'm just going to put some of that on my toothbrush. And once a dentist told me that rather than brushing up and down, you should move in circular motions, and that way you get more dirt out of your teeth. Wow, my mouth is feeling minty fresh right now. I don't know about you, but I love it when my toothpaste goes really foamy because I know that it's working. And now for the mouthwash. So you just fill the cup and rinse your mouth for 30 seconds and then you spit it out. Woo. Wow. Now this has peppermint oil in, and I think that makes it more fresh. Wow, my mouth feels minty fresh right now. Check these products out today.